Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have seen the installation and upgradation of OpenMandriva LX 4.2 to the newer version available, that is the LX 4.3. So we did the upgrade using the terminal. In the terminal, we had a successful update and upgrade, and we saw the final message that it is complete, and we were very much delighted. Now today I started up the OpenMandriva LX 4.3 virtual machine to review the KDE Desktop, but I was surprised to find a bug in the OpenMandriva Systemd. We were booted into a black screen with failed to start setup virtual console. So this is an older regression bug. So it has now again cropped up in the system in all the KDE desktops using the Systemd. So it is there in the OpenSUSE also, in some other distributions also, along with the OpenMandriva. So what happened is, in the OpenMandriva LX 4.2, the bug was not there, but the bug has been reintroduced when we did the upgrade of the packages. So the Systemd packages got updated and brought the older bug again. We were unable to proceed for the desktop review. On checking out, we found that the display manager is blocking the TTY screen. The link to this bug is given below. So we could find the bug report for this issue in the OpenSUSE system. So you can check it out here. So this is the Systemd GitHub. So you can see it there. In the OpenSUSE also the bug is there, and in some few other Linux distributions this has been reported for the latest KDE Desktop update. So now we will try to record the OpenMandriva KDE Desktop review on a new virtual machine after the bug has been fixed. So be patient till the bug gets fixed by the developers. Thank you very much. See you in the video where we will be able to successfully boot into the OpenMandriva KDE Desktop LX 4.3 version, and then we will be able to check out the desktop and the different features and the tools available in the OpenMandriva. See you then. Bye bye.